Hey, what's up guys, Martin Unix here, and I'm ready to give you another educative tutorial. Today I'm going to show you on how to do a side-by-side flat twist lines with a side swoop on medium length dreadlocks. Welcome guys, this is your channel where you can grow your styling career. Welcome. See, we have already done the necessary hair treatments before our styling. Now we are just going to kick off. And this is the way to go about it. You pick strands of locks, letting some other strands to either lace under the already made flat twist row, which now we are going to use to bring out that stylish look on our flat twist lines, by making the lines go side by side. That way guys, the lines will be go extended up to the side, where now we are going to do the side swoop. So guys, this is the way to go about it. You pick this one like this, you make a flat twist. But before you pick the second strand, let this strand pass underneath the first strand, just like that. Then you continue with your journey that way guys. You pick another strand, let it pass underneath our flat twist row, that way guys. Then you continue doing the same, that way guys. Pick this strand, let it pass underneath, that way. I hope you're getting me clearly guys. Pick strands, let them stay underneath your first section, that way. This is the way to go about it guys. Off to this far end. Then upon reaching this part guys, we are going to use one strand to secure at the end, that way guys. Now this is the area where we are going to form our side sweep stylish look, that way. Now this is how you go extend the line so that it can bring that look of side by side, yet giving our style another new touch. That way guys, you pick the strands which we had already placed underneath the first row, that way guys. Then make sure you twist them together guys. If you don't know how to do the flat twist, we gave a video before on how to do the flat twist. You can kindly go back on my channel, learn how to do the flat twist, that way guys. You can have a look on how the lines are going side by side together, that way. It's a new style guys, you can try it. That way guys, up to the end. We are going to use the strand from the other side just to secure the end. I'm gonna use this one to secure here. That way guys. Now you can have a look. This is our co-extended lines, which now forms that look of a side-by-side flat twist stylish look. Alright guys, now we are through with the first section. Let's go together. The next section is here with you guys. Just for the sake of our beginners, we are going to be a little bit detailed. By doing so guys, you separate your first strands that you're gonna use to make the first row. Alright guys, this is the way to go about it. We are going to repeat the same as we have done on the first section. Pick a strand just like that, let it pass. Pick this strand, let it be underneath that strand. That way guys, after making your first interlock, you can also let this one pass there. That way, hope we are moving together guys. That way, let that strand pass there. Second section guys, let's now move on and make the extended line. That way. That way guys. You wanna know how to do the flat twist live guys, go back on my channel, and if you are new here, kindly subscribe on my channel, like my work, comment positively and share to your friends. You can only support these guys by sharing my work. I'm going to secure at that particular point. That way guys. our loop is already taking shape, as you can see. It's very simple, guys. You just pick strands, letting them pass underneath the first section. That way you repeat the sequence all the way to the end. As well as being gentle, guys. Don't apply tension. That way. So way to go about it, guys. You make the co-extended lines, which now goes side by side with the first section. Remember, guys, to subscribe, like my work, comment, and share to your friends. Don't be mean with knowledge. Let them know what you already know. That way, guys, all the way down to the end. That way. Upon reaching this side, guys, we are just going to secure the hand using one strand. And I hope, guys, as you can see, my stationary area is forming kinda another straight line kinda style, which now brings that movement in our style. Let's do another section together. So we are approaching the end, guys. This is how to go about it. As usual, you pick strands, letting other strands pass underneath, just to create room for more styling. That way, guys. Then you kick off your flat twist lines, as usual. It's wow, guys. This is our final look. You can have a look on how the lines are co-extended. That way, guys, the lines are running side by side together up to this particular part where now we have done the side swoop. Now, guys, this style is a style for those women who like flaunting fashion and would like to stay stylish as well as being simple for their official errands. And you need to try this one out, guys. It's a nice style that you can move around with it. Now let's move around, guys, as you see the whole picture on how our style has been done. It's a lovely style. It's a stylish style that you can use to flaunt fashions. It's very formal for those people who like simplicity.